when the rain is pouring. You're the one I'm calling.
Hey guys, I hope you all doing well. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Yes, so if you're new here, please feel welcome and please remember to subscribe. And if you're coming back, thank you so much for coming back. So today I want to begin with making dinner. Yeah, I want to cook dinner with you. So we're going to do some carrot rice, we're going to do some beef stew, and we're also going to do some cabbage. We'll see if we're going to steam or fry the cabbage. Yeah, so enjoy the video.
It goes like
I have a tip for you guys. Whenever you're boiling your meat, please avoid adding salt when boiling. Salt hardens meat, so just boil it plain or with spices or marinated, and then you can add salt when cooking it. So at the end stage.
world is looking for. Show them all we got it. Never look back, never let go. I don't need to look no further. You are the one I'm certain. Only one that I'll be holding. When you're loving me, you're loving me. It goes like look no further, look no further. Look no further. It goes like look no further, look no further. Look no further. It goes like I believe that we are more. All the world is looking for. Show them all we got it. Never look back, never let go. I don't need to look no further. You are the one I'm certain. Only one that I'll be holding. When you're loving me, you're loving me. It goes like look no further, look no further. Look no further. It goes like but I can't help my heart. Even though our time is short, there's always this piece of me that starts always. Even though our time is short, there's always this piece of me that starts.
My slay queen finally gave up. What? It's really funny, guys. I'm back to my original. This one has been faithful for years and years and years. This knife, I don't know, it's maybe 5 or 6 years old. I'm glad I didn't throw it away, so you'll have to use this. Anyway, so next is our garlic. The ingredients we have is salt and Maggi cube. I love Maggi cube compared to any other cube. This cube is tasty, it has the taste. And then this is garlic powder. Yeah. Nani amefanya? Nani amechokoza wewe? Amechokoza mama yangu?
Mami.
Yes.
She stole a smile and my heart responded.
So you cook that rice until you smell the aroma. With just oil, yeah. It's like frying the rice. So it's giving that aroma. Yeah. Then now we add our hot water. Then mix. Add your salt. Then add our carrots. The grated carrots. Mix that. Then cover and cook on low heat. Release your heat. Next is our cabbage. Okay, so we add our capsicum. Cook for a bit for the aroma. So next we add our cabbage. That aroma is good. Really good. Add our carrots. Add some salt. Mix that.
It goes like it goes like I never thought I'd find it. A love that feels so perfect. I can't even word it. Yeah.
So now we're going to steam this cabbage for 5 minutes maximum. 5. Yeah, I don't mind this one. She's always here with me. So I've just figured I should throw in some garlic.
You are the one I'm certain, only one that I'll be holding when you're loving me.
The other end, we have our beef. It's cooking, it's almost ready. So in order for me to be quick, I just transferred my rice here so that I can finish the rest. I set it aside, and then you should not cover the cabbage completely. So I'm just going to partially cover it like that. That is to prevent more cooking. Yeah. So I can transfer my beef here to finish cooking, and then I can get my rice to the farthest end. Finish cooking. So as you can see, our meat is dry. Actually, I added some water at some point because it was a little bit hard. Yeah. See, it's dry now. Now if it's cooked. Ready. So in the same pan, we're going to add oil. We're going to add our roots or dania in there. Fry them for this. add our capsicum seeds and onions in there, and the dhania stalks or coriander stalks. Yeah, fry them all together. So I'm going to add the natural garlic. This dhania hack, I borrowed it from Terry because the job is done.
Everything I never knew I wanted, and money won't buy her happiness. Yeah, she's my kind of glamorous. Natural beauty, what it's all about. Tell something to me, can't figure it out. I never thought that